Handing back the keys to your Synergy lease car can be a little sad, but it's simple. And because we were back in touch in plenty of time, my next Synergy car is on the way. Here are a few useful tips to help you when returning your lease car. A couple of months before the contract ends, make sure your maintenance and servicing are up to date and in line with the manufacturer's guidelines. Check your car over for any damage, but don't worry. Synergy have a detailed industry standard guide for acceptable fair wear and tear. It's online and easy to view. Don't forget to remove any personal information and telephone contacts stored in the car or satellite navigation. Remember, you'll also need to hand back both sets of keys and any paperwork for the car, including servicing records. Clean it both inside and out and make sure you've removed all of your personal belongings. Synergy helped me to arrange a convenient date and time for collection of my car and worked with me to organise delivery of my new car on the same day. Find out more at synergycarleasing.co.uk.